Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Gala apples. Gala apples originated in New Zealand in the 1930s and they were first brought to market in 1965. So most of us should be familiar with Gala apples. They're a cross between a kid's orange red apple and a golden delicious apple. They were brought to the United States in the 1980s, so again, most of us have seen them in the stores at some point or another. Regarding their characteristics, the skin is thin while the flesh is a creamy yellow and it's dense, crisp, juicy, fragrant, and slightly sweet with hints of vanilla in there. Best uses for Gala apples, they're ideal when they're eaten raw out of hand, cut and included into salads so that raw application is good. They're excellent in fruit salsas and chutneys. They can be sliced and even added to a burger, panini or crostinis or other types of sandwiches. It's notable that the Gala apples are best when they're used in fresh applications. So they can be juiced and they can also be cooked down into sauce. Okay? But the sweet flavor mellows out when they are cooked. So really they should be paired with stronger flavored apples when they're used in baking applications. Gala apples pair well with pears, winter squash, onions, pecans, turkey, curry, brie, cheddar, and Swiss cheeses. I do hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye for now.